Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm going to explain you how to use Mendeley and how to add citations and references with Mendeley. Well, first of all, we have to go to mendeley.com, this website, and we have to create an account. It is better if you use an academic account. So then, when you have login in your account, there is an option that says download Mendeley. So click on here and you can download Mendeley for your computer. So then this is the window of Mendeley. You can see that I have here my documents. You can add also here another document if you want. We have to click on here and this window appears and you can choose many documents in PDF, or you can create folders if you want to organize your information. So also you have to install the uninstall MS Word plugin. This is for Word Office in order to appear the Mendeley option in the references. So I have written this paragraph about plagiarism and I have add a citation here, as you can see. But if you want to add a citation, we have to click on references and you can see that Mendeley Cite-O-Matic appears here, and you have to click on insert citation. You have to click on go to Mendeley and choose the document that you have used when you have written your document. For example, I want to add this book. So click on the document and then click on cite, and the citation appears here. It is easy. Also, for example, if you want to insert a citation manually, you can go to add, and here appears this option, add entry manually. And you can add the citation of a book, of a film, of an article, of a report, and you have to write all the information about the source that you want to cite. So then if you want to add another citation, you have to do the same. It's easy. And at the end, another citation. Click on cite. Yes, it is not difficult to use. I think that it is very useful. And then you have to add the references list here. As you can see, there is an option that says insert by bibliography, and here appears all the sources that you have cited. So you can choose the style, for example, the American Sociological Association, Chicago, but I am going to use APA style. And that's all. I hope you have enjoyed it, and remember to use Mendeley if you don't know how to cite and add references list.